My mother usually cooks chicken every day for us, her children. But our last born, a boy and girl, got tired of it. We were twins. The girl said, Taiwo, I am going to tell mommy to stop cooking chicken. The boy asked, why? I've started growing small feather down there, she said. The boy shouted, yeah, I thought I was the only one. The girl said, you do? See mine. We are so many. Show me yours. The boy took his boxers down and said, see that mommy is doing to us with her daily chicken. The girl shouted, yeah, you don't only have feathers, you also have the neck of a hen. The boy said, not only a neck. Grab down the neck, you will see 2 eggs. I'm scared. I am going to start laying eggs soon.